I am a special forces operator. I will go where others fear to go. I will do what others cannot do. I will face the impossible and triumph always. I seek neither fame nor glory. I seek neither medals nor praise. I seek only the acknowledgement of my brother operators, for they alone can judge me, and to be counted amongst them is my greatest honor. I will never dishonor my brothers or the name of Special Forces. I will never turn away from any challenge. I will face anything and succeed. Nothing will stop me save death, and even this will be temporary, for my memory will spur my brothers on. I will at all times uphold the principles that guide us: duty, honor, and loyalty. The highest code of morals, principles, and ethics. I will never abandon my post or turn from my duty, no matter the consequences. I will always remember my brothers who have made the supreme sacrifice. They will be with me at all times in my thoughts and prayers. Their deeds will not go unrecorded, and their songs will not go unsung. Their memory will inspire me constantly. I know that wherever I am, whatever the situation, I am always in my brother's thoughts and prayers. And if ever my need is near me, I know that my brother operators will always come to my aid, swiftly, regardless of danger or risk, to stand by my side and help me. And knowing this gives me strength to face anything, anywhere, at any time, resolutely, with courage and determination. For I am proud to say that I stand counted amongst those few, those brave and elite few, silent and unseen, but ever present, who can truly say, "We fear naught but God." For I am a Special Forces operator.
Now, even this side, no 3-bedroom yakho ne toilet ne shower, but kukabantu pa it's well fenced now. Even this side, no 2-bedroom, no flat bathroom with outside toilet. Now, lots of the thing about Kabaitu out for a man. And you have your dry area. Ngapha yawona 3-bedroom flats, ngapha 3-bedroom flats, and suite ngapha. Amatsho totengwa kwa. Got another big room up with that. This is your flat now, spacious now. Now, thank you so much. Now, for more information concerning this farm, you can call us 073 271 2518. Please do follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, so called Simply Properties. Thank you so much for your support. Enkosi.